¿Qué onda, mi gente? This is Maribel, M-A-R-I-B-E-L, XO22 on my social media. If you're not yet subscribed, guys, please hit that subscribe button. I would highly, highly appreciate it. And once you're there, just go ahead and turn on that little notification bell for every time I upload videos. You guys could be notified when I upload a video. So, anyways, what do we have for this video today, guys? Today, I am going to be making aguachile. Aguachile is a Mexican recipe. I have no clue where it came from, what part of Mexico. It is a Mexican recipe. That's all I am aware of. I did not do too much research, but this aguachile is going to be the way that I prepare it. I don't know where the original recipe came from, or what the original recipe has, which I should probably Google it, and let's go. So guys, I'm currently on my computer right now. I'm gonna go ahead and Google what is aguachile. Okay, this is what it says, guys. It says, the fresh seafood dish comes from the northwest region of Mexico, and it is normally prepared in el molcajete. The origin of aguachile lies in the coast of Sinaloa, originally made with boiled water and chiltepines, small round pepper chilies from the state. That's what aguachile is. Now back to the kitchen. So there you have it, guys. That's where aguachile came from, Sinaloa. So now let's get into this video really quick. So the ingredients that you guys are going to need are going to be some of these serrano peppers. I was forgetting here for a minute. Okay, some serrano peppers. You're going to need some red onion. You are going to need a bunch of lemon or lime juice. I am going to actually use some lemon and some lime juice with my recipe. Again, like I said, this is how I make it. You know, I'm not going based on the original recipe because I don't even know what the original recipe is. So we're gonna need that. We're going to need some cilantro. We're going to need some of this baby onion. I love this stuff, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this on there. We're going to need some cucumber. And of course, our main ingredient of this beautiful dish is going to be some shrimp. I have some over here. I had some in the refrigerator, but I went to go buy some more because these weren't going to be enough for me, guys. So, yeah, just shrimp. So, I think that's it for the ingredients. Yeah. Let's get into this, guys. Let's get into this recipe, okay? Whoop. So, here are our vegetables, nice and washed and ready to go. So, let's go ahead and start on the shrimp really quick. Let's peel and devein and butterfly cut them. I'm going to cut them into a little butterfly. So, guys, here's the shrimp that I had in the freezer. I'm going to go ahead and use it. And then I went to go ahead and purchase some fresh shrimp. Okay. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do really quick. So I'm going to get the shrimp. I'm going to pinch and pinch. I have the same technique, guys, in my shrimp ceviche video. If you guys have not yet seen it, go ahead and go ahead and watch it after this, guys. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and pinch, 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 and pinch. So all you're doing is you're pinching the tail and you're pinching the inside where the little leaves are. So, and it pops up. That's how it is. So I'm going to go ahead and do that with all the shrimp. Even these fresh ones, even though they have a different color, a slightly different color, these are the fresh ones, the same way. Pinch and pinch. These are actually a little bit bigger. Well, kind of. But anyways, shrimp is a shrimp. So I'm going to go ahead and grab it from this side. And just open it like so. You see how it opens like a butterfly? You could go ahead and devein them if you want. Honestly, that doesn't bother me at all. But as you can see, some of these shrimp, actually all of them, oh yeah, see, all of them are deveined already. See, except that one in the bottom, which to me, there's no problem with that. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and do. I'll show you one more time. You get your fish with the arch part up, and that's what you want to cut. Again, if you want to remove these, you could, but to me, I mean, if it comes off easily, I'll take it off, but if not, then that's fine. Okay. Like so. See that? That's what we want to do. So you're going to grab your shrimp like so, guys. Cut it, but not all the way through. And that opens up like that. See that? That's what you want. So I'm going to go ahead and, like I said, pinch and pinch all my shrimp like that. And then I'm going to butterfly them like this. Okay? I'll show you guys how they look when I'm all done. So this is how the shrimp is going to look like, guys, once you guys have taken the shell off and butterfly cut them. Is that even right? Butterfly cut them? Or cut them into butterfly shapes. This is how it's going to look. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze all these lemons and limes. These were going pretty bad in there, so I'm like, you know what, let me put them in my recipe, because I'm not throwing them away. I'm not throwing them away. So I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze all these limes in here, guys, and I'll show you how it looks. These lime ones are a little big for my lime squeezer, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this. So this is how it's going to look, guys. I did not use all my lime juice. As you can see, I still have some left. They were very, very juicy, so I ended up not putting too many. As you can see, there's a lot of it in here. I ended up using about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So around 23, 24 shrimp is what I'm doing right now. This recipe, guys, what I love about it is that you could just do it and you don't need no measurements. This is what I love about aguachile and ceviche and all those fish dishes that I want to be showing you guys, that you don't need no measurements. So as you could see, guys, I don't know if this camera could see, but as you could see right here, they're already cooking. So that's amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the chili puree now. Okay, and for those 23, 24, I am using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, and it all depends how spicy you guys want it. These serranos are pretty spicy, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and add those, and I'm gonna go ahead and add some cilantro. Oh, and there's another one, so 12. And And then guys, I'm going to add this little onions, these little onions that I had in here. I added 3 because they're pretty big, as you can see. So I'm gonna add 3. I washed them and I cut them up to help the blender. And there is your simple, what is this called? Paste, chili paste, I guess is what we're trying to make. Sorry, I'm like spacing out, guys. I want this to be cooked already for I can eat it. So before we blend this, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of salt in here, guys. Just a little bit, okay? And I'm gonna put some water in here, just a little bit, for it could help the blending process. Done. Look how beautiful this is, guys. I love this. This is my best investment. Oh, it smells so spicy already. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? Put pepper on there first. Put a little bit of pepper. Just a little bit, because pepper could be spicy too, guys. So then I'll go ahead and add this salsa sauce puree. I don't think I'm gonna use it all. Okay, look at that beauty, guys. Look at that beauty. Let me see how spicy this is. Wow. Wow. It is super spicy. So I'm going to go ahead and mix it like that. Okay, look at that, shrimp is cooking fast. Okay, once that's done, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my purple onion. I want them really, really thin, as you can see. Try to cut them as thin as possible. Okay, I think that's enough of onion. I'll just go ahead and use it all. Okay, like so. Then I'm going to go ahead and add it over here. And then I'm going to go ahead and add another lime juice on the top, guys. Okay, like so. And mix those in right. You don't want to put your fingers in there because then it's not going to be good if you put your finger in your eye. It's going to burn the heck out of you. Okay, guys, and that's the aguachile, guys. All I need to do now is let this sit in the refrigerator till it's done cooking, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add my cucumbers. The only reason why I don't want to add my cucumbers right now, guys, is because then they're gonna get soggy, and I want the texture and the crunch of the cucumber on there to be nice and crunchy. So I'm gonna wait for my cucumbers until this is fully cooked. So into the refrigerator goes. Look at this beauty, guys. Beautiful. So guys, about 3.5 hours passed already, so I'm gonna go ahead and take out the aguachile from the refrigerator for I could go ahead and slice some cucumbers on there, and then it's ready to serve, guys. Can't wait. Let's do this. I can't really see it, and I don't want to like go like that. I don't want to look at this. Oh my god, I can't wait. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the cucumbers. So guys, all I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a little bit of green on there, like so. just like I said, presentation. Not that it really needs it, but gives it some color. Like so. And then I already have some cucumber in the refrigerator. Go ahead and use what you guys have first. Because if not, guys, it's just gonna go to waste. I mean, who am I to tell you anything, right? But I'm just saying, save some food. Like so. Beautiful. And really quick, guys, to make sure that the cucumbers are good. Good. Ooh. Okay. Now, guys, I'm going to go ahead and place my cucumbers inside here. Look how beautiful this looks, guys. Amazing. Oh, let me try it. Let me try it. This recipe is complete, guys. After you guys put the pepinos in there, it's ready to eat. So, guys, the tostadas I'm going to use for these are these Guerrero ones. These are my favorite one, guys. But you could go ahead and use whatever type of Mexican tostada you want. Or you could use crackers. I personally don't like crackers, but I like tostadas. So this is what I'm going to serve it with. Oh, that shrimp is nice and cooked. And of course, guys, the avocado on the top. Beautiful. I kiss everything. Don't judge me. Not everything, literally. Let's see how good this is, guys. The bomb. And even just the pepino with the aguacate ahí arriba, like that. Perfect. I'm gonna get some. So, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get some with everything on it. Some pepino, some aguacate. Shrimp. I probably should have put the shrimp a little bit smaller. And some onion on there. Guys. Big bite. So bomb. This has so much flavor, guys. You guys really need to try it like this. Just follow my steps. If you follow my steps, you'll be tasting exactly what I'm having right now. And if it tastes bad, that's not my fault. God is so good. Thank you, Lord. Bomb. One more bite. Bomb. So that was the recipe, guys. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for all the love and support. Thank you for the views. Make sure you hit that thumbs up for me. Subscribe to my channel, guys. I would highly appreciate it. I hit that notification bell while you're there, if you guys could be notified every time I upload a video. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit up this recipe. Make it, guys. I promise you, it's the bomb. So anyways, guys, I will see you guys in my next video. You guys take care, and God bless you guys, and bye.